But hi. Bop, boop, beep, right? You see what I'm saying? You see the vision? Does it mean I'm just destined to be ugly? It's 5:29 and I'm supposed to be out of here in like less than 30 minutes-ish. I'm often delulu when it comes to the time. It's an illness that I think I can do the most in the least amount of time. I'm gonna try to tack it on to my stale bread up here, and I did a little mini bun back here. But we just put a little water here. I'm gonna blow it out a little. Okay. Okay, while that's warming up, where's my needle? Where's my needle? Actual hair, stop it. We in this to win it. We're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. We're gonna be late, but the question is how late? Maybe it won't be that bad. We're gonna throw on this unit that I had from 400 years ago. Just a little bit after slavery started. You know, the truth is I don't really have to, because it has clips. It has clips. I don't really have to sew it on. I don't. But you know it's gonna give me a little extra. I don't have to sew it. I don't. Do I even want this style anymore? Yes, you do. Hair tie. We need at least 2. Like hanging out or whatever. That's why I like to sew it, because if I sew it right now, it would be more like secure right here. If I just give it a couple tacks right in there, you know. So you see that security I get right there. I don't usually rush this style, so I'm almost thinking like, why am I even doing this right now? Can I just put on another wig? Oh my God, she's here. Hi.
Hi.
What's up? Don't touch anything, please. Don't touch anything.
What's this?
Don't touch anything, please.
I want to play with mommy.
I am mommy. I'm right here. We're playing more. See that game?
What are you doing in here?
Here we go. I'm gonna just put these 2 together.
What, you can't do Scooter in here, please.
Close. Girl, is this even gonna be cute? Too late to go back. We don't have any time to go back. This is just gonna be my little anchor piece right here. Lord help me. Why did I choose to do this right now? Are you so cute? Yeah, girl. I just be doing these styles like my bang. Nothing too crazy. Just a little press. Just a little press. Time check. Oh my God, 9:36. 9 Makiba? 5:36. The fact that I'm rushing and chose to film at the same time, like these levels of delulu are just crazy. The girl just doesn't get out much. We put all the things. We're gonna put wax, we're gonna put dax, we're gonna put jacks. This piece, this is why I wanted to sew it. Do a lot of tucking. Where's my brush? No way. Kai, do you take the brush? Are we still recording? Why am I doing this? Like, you know when you do something and then you instantly are regretting it as you're doing it? Y'all, if this isn't cute, theme tonight is animal print. Light in here is terrible and it's just glaring and blaring on my imperfections right now. Okay. Anywho, time check. Where are we at? 5:39. Are we gonna be cute or what? Without me doing what I know I should have done, which is sew it on, we're gonna still make magic happen here, okay? The best we can. I didn't sew it. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be dark. Just keep going. It's here. Brush is so ghetto, but yet here I am, always doing it. Just one more bobby pin. These parts are the parts. I have these 2 areas where they always gonna want to see me leave. Right here. They'll always revert first and be acting crazy like they have no upbringing and no home training. It's my girl's birthday and I'm about to dance, okay? I don't care what music is playing, I'm about to dance. But I need bobby pins. I'm gonna get my hair hidden. Twist and tuck. Oh, I'm sick. All of the bobby pins, all I have is hairpins right now. All of my bobby pins are at the salon. It feels like all day you see random bobby pins and then now the moment that you need one, there's none. One. But we need multiple bobby pins. One is just not gonna cut it. What time is it now? 5:51. 5:51. I still need to shower. One more for the nut. I'll be all right. I don't want to be ugly. Shower. Literally, I do not want to be on time because me filming this at the same time was a crazy work. Ain't got much left. Is everything done around here? Do I even have eyebrows in this lighting? The hell? Okay. Do we have a brow now? Do we even have a brow now? The skin's a little ugly. Halfway through an eyebrow, blacker. Been using this Hello Epic whitening charcoal toothpaste lately. I like your toothbrush is dead, so we're using this one. Are you there? Content. How you work this again? Will this help me? But I think it's better than nothing right now. And now we're just naked. This is on its last. So last, I don't even know if it's gonna come out. Oh, we got something. Ah! Beautiful. Worse, honestly, I've been going outside and not priming my makeup at all because I just be rushing all the time. It's my old faithful Morphe palette. Didn't see a damn thing before. I hope you guys can't see my boobs. Ladder. At this point, we just pray we're blended. You know what I'm saying? Just pray. God can work miracles every day. It's gonna be all right. We'll be all right. We'll be all right. Yeah, we'll be all right. We're doing great. When you have a toddler and you just keep putting everything away, and so you don't know where anything is half the time, because sometimes you put things where you need them, but then they come around and it's like, run, hide. No, me not go mad in ya. I am filming a video, so I'm talking to my people. Mom, you're mad already. It's just a little genetic pass down. I can't find my blush brush. What does that mean? Does it mean I'm just destined to be ugly? What? Where is it? Stop it. It was in the random plastic bag. That's crazy. Oops. We'll be fine. Another Morphe palette that I'll have.
Tango.
Can you what?
Tango.
Can you go where? No, don't touch that. No, don't touch that. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Thanks. I love you.
I want Borbit.
Okay, come bore just a little. Touch. Close your eyes. Beautiful. You look amazing. Mom, please, can you take her? Kai, go be with
No,
Nana.
it's mine.
Be with Nana. It's not yours.
I don't want to be
I want to cry too. Can you stop pushing me? Please, I beg.
Me. No, me.
Y'all. Stop touching things. Makai, here, please. I will give you something. Go. Here.
I want this one.
No, this one. You take that one. It's big one.
Can I try this one?
Mom, can you take her, please?
I
Can I just please be cute in peace one day? Cute, y'all. Is it too much to ask? I gave that to her to distract her. You can keep it, okay? You can keep it, okay? Go put it up nice somewhere. You can keep it, okay? Don't be sad. It's gonna be okay. Promise. We're reusing some lashes right now, and I'm low-key not even sure if they're the same ones. Are these the same ones? Pretty sure they're not. Maybe these go together. It's just all vibes right now. We just pray for the best at this point.
want.
What are you doing? I said stop putting it on the wall, babe. What'd she put on her face? Are we cute? Hi, what's up?
I wanted up.
This battery's also dying now because it's been that long that it's taking me, but are we this light is so bright. Let me take it off. So bright, too bright. Ow! Girl, leave me alone! I worked out. Let's put on there a little bit. No lips. We didn't do anything on our lips. Like, what is this lighting? Yeah, that's better. Just a little bit. You know, just a spooky. It is spooky season around here. Put the clothes on. Put the clothes on. Okay. Theme is animal print. Child of mine. Why are you so close? Why are you so close? No. Sure. Love this lip gloss. So muchy. I feel like this lip gloss specifically makes my lips start growing. Like all of a sudden, I start getting bigger lips as a girly who was not endowed with the lips. God said you get the booty, but you're not getting the lips, honey. We're not giving you all of it. Okay. But they're not bad though. You know what I'm saying? I thought I kissed like a girl with big lips. Okay. This is not kind of any kind of lip plumping, anything. It's just in my head. It just makes me feel like I've got lips. We love our Libre, favorite of all time. For a girly like me who likes to be free, Libre is me. Eye butter on the body yada yada yada. What else are we missing, guys? Oh, what shoes am I gonna wear? Kind of short. I can't believe I made it this far in filming this video and I'm not like, I'm late. I'm late, don't get me wrong. I'm just not atrociously late. Despite the confusion. Favorite earrings? Duh. I look like a party girl.
Like, you know, people will use these people to say.
Ready? No, because we didn't put no bangles on. I always need a 1-2 bangle and my rings. A little more Kai butter here for the hands. Cause you know how it is in that area right there. We gotta get it. Gotta get it good. We got the eagle ring. Got the eagle ring. Boom. We got lion. Boom. And we got the cobblestone wood nugget. I think this is it. We good. I hope I can get a cute pic. After you catered to me. After you pay my bills.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'.